Hello guys, it's me, Ismayilpur. Welcome to my channel. Today we are having a grammar session and today's grammar topic is one of the most requested ones. It is about conditionals. You already have heard conditional sentences in English, right? And what does it mean? Why do you call them conditionals? Look, the first rule you need to remember, conditionals are made with if. So we use if in a sentence to make it a conditional sentence. We have got an if clause and a result clause or result sentence. What is a conditional? Look, we've got condition. We need something to happen in order for something else to happen, right? So that is the condition I give. So there is one condition, it happens, and as a result of this, something else happens. This is the basic logic behind conditional sentences. How many conditionals do we have in English? We've got 4 conditionals in English. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Let's go over all these conditionals and see how we use them and why we use them. Let's start with zero conditional. Zero conditional as a formula is if plus present simple plus present simple. For example, if you buy a computer, you learn how to use it. You see, in this case, it is always true. It is always possible. Zero conditional refers to actions, refers to sentences that are always true and possible. So it never changes. If you buy a computer, you learn how to use it. Second conditional. The formula of second conditional is if plus present simple plus future simple. For example, if you buy a computer, you will learn how to use it. You see, in this case, we refer actions that are possible to happen, that are likely to happen in the future. For example, if you buy a computer, you are likely to learn how to use it. So that is why we use future simple. Again, let's repeat it. If you buy a computer, you will learn how to use it. Second conditional. The formula of second conditional is if plus past simple plus would plus infinitive. For example, if you bought a computer, you would learn how to use it. In this case, we talk about imaginary actions, which are unreal. These sentences, second conditional sentences, have nothing to do with the reality. It is all about our imagination. Look, if you bought a computer, nobody has bought a computer, nobody is planning to buy a computer. It's just imagination. If you bought a computer, you would learn how to use it. All right? Third conditional. The formula of third conditional is if plus past perfect plus would have plus past participle. If you had bought a computer, you would have learned how to use it. When we talk about third conditional, when we use third conditional, we want to say that something happened in the past, we agree with that, but it would have happened differently. So here we refer to something different in the past. Yesterday I went to school. If I hadn't gone to school, I would have come to you. So here in this case, it is not imaginary situation. Do not confuse it with second conditional. In this case, something happened in the past and I talk about how would it have happened differently. So the difference between third conditional and second conditional is in second conditional, we talk about imagination. There is no actual action. Yet in third conditional, we talk about real action that happened in the past, but how it would have happened differently. It only needs practice. If you practice all these conditional sentences, then you'll of course get it done. I hope the video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much. See you on my next videos.